Today we're going to learn how to use Qing properly in Chinese.
Yo, Jeremy.
Yeah.
I was in class yesterday with my Chinese professor.
Yes.
And I was a bit confused with a few words, so I went to my professor, Qing 你可以写汉语拼音吗? And he didn't take it too well.
Did you just directly told your professor 请写汉语拼音?
Yeah, I mean, that in my Qing, please, can you
Wow.
write? Yeah. Is that a bit forward?
So, what's his reaction?
I mean, he did it, but he didn't look like he wanted to do it. So I feel like I might have said something wrong.
I think he may be a bit of upset.
Yeah.
Yeah, angry, probably. Do you know, because 请写汉语拼音is like kind of bossy attitude, bossy tone, you know?
Okay, so I wasn't really requesting, I was more telling him what
I
to
understand. You probably translate please directly into Qing, right?
Yeah, of course.
So you just please, like asking for a favor.
Yeah.
But if you, in this situation, if you say 请写汉语拼音,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That's like you're a boss. 请做这个，请做那个，请做一下这个，请关下门。You know?
As a student, I was telling him what
Yeah,
to do.
because your teacher is at this social status.
Yeah.
At least in China, right? You should respect your teacher.
Yeah.
Cannot be very bossy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today we're going to discuss a bit further about Qing because I've seen a lot of misconceptions, like misuse of Qing.
Yep.
Most people think Qing simply represents please, right? But here are some situations you cannot use Qing.
Yeah.
For example, if you're talking to your boss,
Yeah.
if you're talking to your teacher, anyone who are older than you, right?
Yeah.
You cannot use 请 like 请做这个，请做那个. That sounds a little bit bossy.
Yeah.
What should you say? You should say 麻烦一下. 麻烦一下. It's like more like excuse me.
Yeah, yeah.
Or like yeah, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Okay. 不好意思，麻烦一下。不好意思，麻烦一下。您能 meaning like can you?
Can you, yeah.
Yeah, 您能 like 您. Now 你能 can you, right? Or you can say 不好意思
Yeah.
不好意思可不可以不好意思能不能帮我个忙不好意思能不能帮我个忙 Yeah, some sentences like this.
Yeah, it's a
Instead
little
of
bit
say
nicer.
请关门请开窗户请关灯
请写汉语拼音
请写汉语拼音 It's like being very bossy.
Yeah, I understand.
You get it?
Yeah.
And here's another situation. I've seen a lot of foreigners, they try to use please.
Yes.
You know, in English, if you want to, really want to, somebody do a favor, right?
Please, please,
Yes,
please.
you will say, please, please, please,
Yeah.
can you do me a favor? Yeah, can you help me doing this homework, right?
Yeah.
And in a real situation, I've seen them translate please, please, please into 请 and they say, 你能帮我个忙吗？请 I was like, wow.
Sounds a bit weird.
Yeah, it sounds really weird. It's not a bit weird. It's
Yeah.
really weird. I'm just so confused. So in this situation, you can just say 麻烦您麻烦您
麻烦你
麻烦您 Yeah, like 麻烦您能帮我一下忙吗麻烦您能帮我一下忙吗 Instead of say 请帮我一下忙
Yeah.
请帮我一下忙 Okay? So now you understand, in most situations, you cannot use 请 to your like maybe higher social status,
Yeah.
people who are in a higher ranking, right? So you can say 请做这个请做那个 It sounds a bit bossy.
Yeah.
Or translate please, please, please directly in a 请 That's not cool as well. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. But there are special situations you can use 请 but you have to make it like a question. 请您帮我一个忙可以吗请您帮我一个忙可以吗 It's more like a question,
Yeah.
so more polite. And people will accept it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Perfect.
Yeah. So next time, John, if you're talking to your professor,
Yeah.
you can say,
麻烦您可以写一下汉语拼音吗
yeah, 麻烦您可以写一下汉语拼音吗 Right? 麻烦您可以写一下汉语拼音吗 Or 张教授王教授麻烦您可以写一下汉语拼音吗 Sounds more polite. I
Yeah.
think next time they will be more pleased to do this
Yeah.
instead of 写下汉语拼音请写汉语拼音
I
They
think so
just
too.
sound so strange.
Yeah.
Yeah, not cool. All right, so this is the misconception of Qing. I hope you guys can learn it and use Qing properly in China, in Chinese. All right, I'm your host, Jeremy.
And I'm your co-host John.
If you like our program, please subscribe to our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
And YouTube.
All right, I will see you next episode. Bye bye.